Hey everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, we're going to build an amazing cooking recipe app. This app not only displays recipe names, ingredients with images, and preparation steps, but also includes an explanatory video for those who prefer learning that way. So, if you love cooking or want to develop projects using AI and APIs, this video is for you. Let's get started. Project planning. I started planning on whiteboard, where I sketched out the app's basic requirements. Display recipes with ingredients and preparation steps. Show a related video for each recipe. Include a search bar to find specific dishes. Add filter buttons to make searching easier. Initial architecture. My first idea was to build a system with the following structure. The front end would send a request to a Node.js server, asking for a recipe. 2, the server would request data from a recipe API. 3, once the API responded, the server would extract the recipe title and send it to the YouTube API to fetch a corresponding video. The server would receive the video and then return all formatted data to the front end. This approach ensured that users received both the written recipe and an automatically linked video. Design and inspiration. To get some visual inspiration, I went to Canva and found a banner that matched the app's theme. I renamed it to Alakai and downloaded the image. Next, I used Coolors to define the color palette. I uploaded the banner, and the site automatically extracted the primary colors, which I used in the app's interface. Implementing AI. At first, I wanted the recipes to be generated by artificial intelligence. So I visited OpenAI's website to get an API key for ChatGPT. With the key in hand, I started crafting an efficient prompt to optimize the AI's responses. I used DeepSeek to refine my ideas, but encountered some limitations. So I turned to ChatGPT, which helped me structure a more precise prompt. Choosing the development technology. I initially chose to develop the app using React in the Cursor editor. However, since I wasn't very familiar with this framework, I faced some difficulties. And here's an important lesson. Use AI to assist with what you already know how to do, not to replace your learning. I realized that without a good understanding of React, it was hard to adjust the AI-generated code. So I decided to build the app using only HTML, CSS, and pure JavaScript, and I got a functional result. Overcoming API issues. During testing, I noticed that the OpenAI API was returning error for 29 too many requests. I increased the delay between requests, but the problem persisted. I checked OpenAI's website and discovered that I didn't have enough credits to make API calls. I tried with another account, but the error continued. I thought, is my project doomed? Never. Giving up is not an option. I searched for alternatives using ChatGPT and found the MealDB, a free API that doesn't require authentication for development. Even better, besides recipes, it provides images of the dishes and ingredients, making the app even more complete. With this change, I realized that I no longer needed the Node.js server, as the new API already provided all the necessary data directly to the front end. Finalizing the app. The app was now ready and fully functional. The only thing left was to adjust the responsiveness for different screen sizes. I had forgotten to add the fave icon, so I went to Flat Icon to check out some options and found the one I wanted. And that's it. The app was successfully completed. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Like the video to support the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss future projects. Leave a comment with your opinions and suggestions for new apps to build together. This AI learning journey is just getting started. See you in the next video.